chira nana Jai Jimmy. Nana Jai Jimmy no. Go to our phone and come back here asking for prayer. Then you will come and meet us here.
And yes, you can na waji. And now what time na no what time NPP or person NPP if free abangwa swa. Sa assembly software.
Eto comedians of which are suffer Penyah Prophet Kofi Oduro ne tuachi. Media no so. I'm off with that question say are they into a prophet all of a sudden? Why ye di the Galamsey yeah. Ewo Ghana hanomo enema ACC nyina no prophet aye din on kasabio. Are they into why ye di any media on one back class with Kofi Oduro then say o me country no. Enye fedi agro me ma wonchire mu no akere wa adwen ama me. Ewo comment section aha Penyah block media mess was say need mo obe like if you don't have a subscribe button so back the keep notification on the latest update time better wa adwen ama me ewo comment section mess was so no share for so enya bi ahwe enti the year 2024 no ema yehu nipa ye no mo Ghana hanomo baby obia koma ene nani ewo when it comes to politics asofo ni mu ehanhenfo nyina no 2024 draw line emi hu baby obia ejina omu omayo mu hu saso mu do oman no ekasa mu oman no emo chezo mu ayiwani mu hwe ni mu aso mu do oman ni tire mu kasa no after the 2024 election no ye hu obia stand say nipa we say na ye party bi ntina ni abere na back when it comes to the issue of Galamsey obia ni ho a ode Galamsey ball ekufura ban na chi esire Prophet Kofi Oduro ene na aso dem Sunday bia no na abeda ne Ghana parliament ho no address issue.
Look at the way we have destroyed this nation with Galamsey. Show me pictures. Show me pictures of Galamsey. This is irresponsibility. This is irresponsibility. This is irresponsibility. You are here saying, God bless our homeland Ghana. Do you think if I am a Galamseyer, I will be standing here this morning? Me too, Galamseyer. Do you think the people doing this nonsense have people who are in authority powering them? One pump action gun is 40,000 Ghana cedis. So who buys pump action guns and give to these people who are able to face the police and the soldiers? They can face them because they have been empowered by people in authority. They have eaten their cake and they are still looking for it. Wicked leaders will be judged. Now Ghana Medical Association is telling the Republic of Ghana that stop every act, whether it's Galamsey or small scale mining, whatever, stop it immediately. Because now we are having children with 2 heads, children with only 3 fingers. If it comes more, 17 fingers. We are having birth deformations from the chemicals of this menace. And we have a president of this country. We have a cabinet of this country. We have a parliament of this country who looks on irresponsibly.
Emma one Sunday because I didn't Sunday mo. I can't say so be or Galamsey ase. If we have our man Penyah so, and it goes to be asked, and Radim Kunibakro.
I don't pay me the Galamsey food na Shinamens. Penimubia or Galamsey, God will kill you. I can't catch you. Yeah, may boss me book quotation. Me can be even work as so dear. Me book quotation. I send be a make the quotation better actually. A be at the could be a quotation would defend itself. Yeah. The Lord said, I will kill her children with death. It Galamsey for the name some penny for Ghana. And they Galamsey they fund the party. Nyami be kumuna. Yeah. Because you don't care about people. People are dying from cancers, leukemia, kidney failures, and you don't care. God will let you taste death the way you wish for other people. Greedy people. Yeah. The Bible said, I will kill her children. And
Chelsea prophet any abere, Ninian say or pebi, papa bi, and I'm on my concono Ghana. It's not any abere, I say, oh, boom, you say, oh, yeah, to the point they say, or Kaya or can say, Nana Sabi, Jai Jimmy, Naka home.
Nana Jai Jimmy! Nana Jai Jimmy, no. catch an judge. No cry it our Ghana can be. Cannot grab. And was see I don't know how you cannot grab. Jangwasi I don't know how you catch it on da judge me. Da judge me.
In the history of Ghana, Galamsey, yeah, West. Baby, I Galamsey no hold that cry. 25 Galamsey do hold him. Kofi Oduro abe di one kasai. Ghana fakodan refugees, it will be my son. Kofi Oduro ain't me address ye. Yeah, we have no see boy go for the cheeky Canadian to do my temuna, but now no I did. Now I know the media and so. A bit of penny no ya in yachum. So for any day, ma. Oh, ya in yachum. A domino about class. Wedding some of catchers of.
Prior to 2024 elections, as software to talk with the war, mind we more almost sorry tia NPP are buying. And you see one platform, any one podium, any one more sorry dying. A casa extra woman sorry ma, a man the tone sorry metimo to aba, any tia NPP are buying. Na Prophet Kofi Oduro edimuntintima. In fact, I have majority of them. Metimi abuba suffer not less than 30 of them. Kwesia de biano omu nkotu Bible. But omadi omu ye ne say, omu di nana dan kwa Akufo-Addo ejina ho a no ma sopa no, no ma sopa NPP aka hom. So that the NPP will look dirty before omu congregants no, so they can vote against them. And mekaya na wo se there bi adentina mekasasa. I have to say it because I'm not saying say and sorry mani ni adwene but ye papa no masofo no yen ye gitum se omo ye nyankopon si anamufo e wasase wi so eti ya na ye gidie ni se omo nsem bi ombeka bia no e ye nsem a nyankopon na di asoma omo ti ye gitum prekope e bra ye adwene ho kra. So the pastors and the men of God took that advantage and omo di gu yen en sorry ma no abodusem na me ba betumbre na ma kire usi tie papa Kofi Oduro.
Believe useless promises from politicians. We believe one village, one dam. We believe one district, one factory. Where are the factories? We believe that. I believe that the Akufo-Addo was going to be the best president in the Fourth Republic. But actually the worst in the Fourth Republic. So then, if you can believe such promise, I believed it that E-Levy was going to solve all our problems. I believed it. Where is it? I told you before the election, oh, there will be an expose.
I'm saying, did you hear that? Yet the papa must for the pie. To that extent, say, the share papa must for boy muase. Now so yet tia yo kunum any ya yere no mu a ye nya saa de no esan sa de ye wani die sunku bi e de ma wo mo what in some papa Kofi Oduro ekeka kire ni so de ma no da bia me kasa se obi ti papa Kofi Oduro na ase a wako school enim akenkan enim de etie ni nsam o kan ye gina so to aba e de tia NPP a sa nipa no me di ne ho yaw papa. Now, Papa Kofi Oduro kasa no ka kire yen say NPP before say one district, one factory, na factory ni wa here.
We believe one district, one factory. Where are the factories?
And now me no kasa Papa Kofi Oduro patrol here. The National Development Planning Commission Progress Report Ababonten. Now report no mo de Ababonten no say the one district, one factory created a lot of jobs. And my youth no. So they are urging the president of the land, John Mahama, to invest in that sector. Eti Papa Kofi Oduro, mesra we ni die mu kasa. Na mabusa say, report we when ye bia kenkan. Na when ye bi kan, na say na report ne e kasa. Would you have the guts and the energy? So be kwa kwagina wa sori dem wa kwa shout. Tie say, ensem na wo ka kira wo sori mai bra ye ko to aba no. Na na wudi. Can you have that guts and that impudence? You see the reason why I'm saying so to about NPP because of their papa we can ya. You've done disservice to yourself and to the country.
I will put 8 years here, 8 years here. You go vote. go to a phone and come back here asking for prayer, then you will come and meet us here.
You see? It did not say any sikana na waji. And now what time na no what time NPP or person NPP a free abangwa swa. Sa assembly software. Huh? Hey. Hey who?
Kofi Oduro. Osofu Kofi Oduro. Kofi. Kameya kwese every Sunday biano. Ochira tem didie. Ewo wa sorry. Every blessed day, ochira tem didie. De wa yesise kwasia. De wa ye kachira obi se oyetimifo. Sa kasa we nyina free wanu mu ba asesofo. Na metie u video bi dia woka na ayenokre Ghana kasa bia no yebetimi di akwa airport wo na kasa bia no yebetimi ayishu. But kasa bia woka aye no ana memani anye ho se enkrofo bi free se Ghana ye wo mu nko adia. Na mebusa sesa ya wo preach wie Kofi wie a aya wo tena se dwene ho ana patashi na aya wo onum ninti wo kasa aya wo nwene ho Kofi Oduro. Debia uka jimi unim se sa kasa na uka ni nyina no uka ma wa wo ho dia uka ye no unim se betimi dia asema ba na nkrofo ben na aya omoji oman ni boso o mususu se oman ni yom dia nkrofo ben wa jimi papa Kofi Oduro wo ye dibifo che wo bia minim sa petesi na aya wo nom nti sa aya na afa otirimo wotwetwe ntokwa ba wo ma we mu no wadibi Kofi Oduro wo ye dimifo abusia fantame da bia wo dire simpie so se wo bia dimi but wo kasa no wo ye dimifo every blessed day wo tratem didie asesofo wo tratem didie wo asore wadimi ana wo yiri wontumfo wadimi Kofi Oduro wadimi suenyansa no wadimi wasire wo kon wo tiri ho ma wo kon wayire tan se de wo jeje ntokwa so no wonya adimi no wo kwasiam panini kura te se wo Kofi Oduro wotimi ka kire nananom bi se wo munya adimi no abra wo wunim se wadimi sa enti wo Kofi a aya preach an wo preach no wo Kofi a wo se tie die wan kanyan sasam aya wo kanyan sasam ba konkura wo entiatiemu na wotiatiemu no wadimi na suenyansa Kofi Oduro wo ye dimifo aden ye te wo ma we mu asundwiem emre bia bo pese modi ade de ntokwa beba asesofo de nka kasa afanu no mienu nyina no eye senko obi ayi woke wo siesie wo ka wo yanim wo ka wo yanim wo wia no akanya bom but wo kasa no anya kasa pa ade asundwie ba enkrofo bai na ya omususu se Ghana ayi omudia wo ye dimifo Kofi Oduro wadimi dudu na suenyansa wadimi oyiri ya nkwa ma na wo hwe a ekwa wo mu se ya esenke ma wunyansa ba wo hwe oyiri nkwan a ema wudimi wo midi wachi ya wo ahwe akasa ameka no enye papa ba mi wo buhu se wo ye sofo enti wo mo asori de mayo mbot aya nsam no mo ka no mo ti akanfo wo mo eso akanfo de bu mo nsam ama because of the other show mo ntimti wadimi tribalism na wo ye na wa asori no Kofi Oduro wadimi Kofi Oduro wo ye dimifo le suenyansa ja petashinum ne je dimi metwa so u preach wie na Kofi a ya tena se dwene ho de wo kan said ya mekan dia asomdue ba da bia wo tratam didie obi nya adimi obi nya nkwasasem asem a wo kan wo mu so wadimi na de na ntimi kan tro se me Kofi Oduro me adimi fo Kofi Oduro osofo afra wo se Kofi Oduro ene nyama transe hu se nyankopon na afra ni nyankopon no Kofi Oduro wonimu no bibinti ana odi ni din ato ho so eni school a wo free se wakonti ana wonya adwuma bi anye ana odi Nyankopɔn din ato wo so se obi ye nyame nipa se ne Malachi chapter 2 verse 7 kan no o se ayese wo kura nimdie e wa asase we sie so efiri se wo ye Nyankopɔn si anamu wa asase we sie so enti se wo bie wa no kasa ayese akomato yem enipa wo ha mu onya rekekere na emum enkoba se asesofo wo bie wa no kasa na adu oyenni basabasa na eba yese wo kura nimdie me pacho wutie mi Kofi Oduro won kira temdidie wo wa asore kwasia ni jibinu no every blessed Sunday bia wo kan wo wa asore de enye kasa ye de titi nipa ye de titi church members enti Kofi unima awurade enti mi be mo afa awurade enti mpa ya mi boy Kofi Oduro bobi di machi na wo jimi na wa jimi no entum firi wo sonko ti pega wonsa kasa awurade Yesu aya mimi Kofi Oduro ma jimi ache wo Ghana ha awurade ahokire nti ana me fa wo se me kra na ma je nkwa ba ma amfa wo yie enti na ma jimi ache no nti sese awurade ma mi nyansa na me fa nkam sofodie ho efiri se ma jimi na me nim nyansa awurade itujimi firi mi mu na me bie ma no kasa emfa rekekere emfa kwanhye emfa abotoyem emra wo manimu abo awia Kofi Oduro sese accept Jesus entika amen sese Kofi Oduro awurade atujimi na firi wo watu kwasia no afiri wo na wajimi but mami let me advise you abra wa fa awurade na wo sa apetition nyema asante achim krofa apetition no enyema wo no apetition ujimi enti Sunday o kwa asori efiti na ekwe enuma petition bio Kofi Oduro wate na enuma petition bio eno na ma okan kwase asem to wagimi na menim se mafutue obefa na anytime bia na mehu se wo kan kwase asem bia no afa ni mehu se edambo no wabo se ye do ko ankafo ye start ma wabo damfo aduru ba se de mempa ye na chi no betu dambo afiri wo so ti Kofi you are free why a petition emwa wo kwa champagne aya abra bi obedimi ye to man we mu asomdue ye kakama da bia wo kira temdidie wa asore asesofo kura nimdie me de test ni igusoro ho na me pacho Sunday be na wotwe me fa madam for prophet bia ka ho me akwa akobo wosu wo woja yakwa akobo wosu why
Chira wadwe mame e wo comment section aha Penyah Media